Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heavy-duty beach chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, whether it's lounging on the beach, camping, or enjoying a backyard barbecue. This particular chair is designed to support up to 350 pounds, making it a robust and reliable option for a wide range of users who need extra strength and stability. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and comfort, allowing you to relax without worry, and it's built to withstand the elements in frequent use, promising a long-lasting addition to your outdoor gear collection. Number 5. Alpha Camp Oversized Folding Camping Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with our oversized camping chair. Its large seat and lumbar support provide luxurious comfort, making it perfect for any outdoor activity. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this chair is built to support up to 350 pounds. Enjoy reliable comfort year after year. Stay refreshed with the integrated cup holder and keep your essentials close with the convenient side pockets. Everything you need is within reach. Setting up and packing away is a breeze. It folds down compactly and weighs just 9.7 pounds, making it easy to take anywhere and store almost anywhere. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or simply relaxing in your garden, this chair offers supreme comfort. It's even great for use at home. What we like. If you're looking for a chair that offers supreme comfort and ample space, this is it. It features a large seat area and lumbar support for luxurious comfort, plus extra storage pockets for your essentials. If you prioritize a plush and well-equipped seating experience for extended relaxation, this chair is an excellent choice. What people say. The chair is made from a padded nylon that is light but durable, and the legs are a coated steel that should shed rain or other weather nicely. Each foot has a stakeout point. You could actually stake this chair down and it would be the sturdiest camp chair you ever sat in. It comes in a good-sized carry bag that you slide the chair right back into. You don't have to struggle with it. Number 4. Ostrich 3-in-1 Lightweight Beach Lounge Chair. Introducing the Ostrich 3-in-1 Lightweight Beach Lounge Chair, your perfect companion for relaxation. Experience unparalleled comfort with its innovative design. This chair features a patented open-close face cavity with convenient arm slots. It's designed to provide ultimate comfort and support for your lounging needs. Stay cool even on the hottest days thanks to its breathable, quick-dry mesh fabric. This material ensures you remain comfortable throughout your outdoor adventures. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Enjoy this comfortable seating solution on your patio, balcony, or backyard. Built for durability, this outdoor lounge chair is ideal for any outdoor setting. Relax in style and comfort with this versatile piece of furniture. The attractive blue stripe pattern adds a touch of style to your outdoor space. It's a functional and fashionable addition to your patio or porch. What we like. For those who love to sunbathe or relax with their face down, this chair offers a unique patented design with a face cavity and arm slots. Its quick-dry mesh fabric ensures comfort even on hot days. If you're seeking a specialized lounging experience that prioritizes comfort and ease of use for tanning or reading, this chair is ideal. What people say. Very comfortable and easy to fold up. The 3-in-1 features were great in comparison to a regular chair. It reclines to whatever position you need, and the face hole is perfect for reading or scrolling on the phone at the beach. Love the fabric and wide armrests. It is really sturdy and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Ever Advanced Lightweight Folding Director Chair. Tired of struggling to get up from low chairs? This chair's 19-inch height is designed to be joint-friendly, reducing knee strain and making it easy to sit down and stand up. The firm armrests offer extra support for added stability. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. This chair boasts a reinforced aluminum frame that can support up to 350 pounds, yet it only weighs 9.26 pounds. It's strong enough for taller individuals and light enough to carry with ease. Keep everything you need right by your side. The built-in fold-out side table features a cup holder, phone slot, and storage space, making it perfect for makeup artists, vendors, or anyone who needs quick access to their essentials. Experience superior comfort with its durable, tear-resistant canvas that provides firm, non-sagging support. The tall backrest is designed to support your upper back, ensuring comfort even during long periods of sitting. No more wobbly chairs. The slip-resistant rubber feet ensure stability on various surfaces like grass, sand, patios, and decks. Enjoy reliable seating wherever your adventures take you. With a simple 3-step folding process, this chair is incredibly easy to pack and transport. It's the perfect companion for RV trips, tailgating, camping, or any outdoor activity. What we like. If you find it difficult to stand up from low chairs or need a convenient surface for your items, this director chair is a game changer. Its 19-inch height reduces knee strain, and the built-in side table with a cup holder and phone slot makes it a mobile workstation. This is perfect for makeup artists, vendors, or anyone who values ease of use and accessibility. What people say. The seat and back material is strong and comfortable. The entire frame has a beautiful and durable powder coat finish. The drink tray has a cutout for your drink and cell phone. The storage pouch on the other side is very useful and has a zipper compartment for keys and other things you don't want to lose. It's sturdy and stable. The side table is a nice perk. It provides a good place for your phone, a drink, or a resting place to keep your handbag off the ground. Number 2. Overmont Oversized XL Camping Chair. Experience ultimate comfort with our extra-large camping chair, designed to support up to 400 pounds. It offers ample space for a relaxed seating experience, making it perfect for everyone. Sink into luxurious comfort with generous high-density cotton padding. This chair provides exceptional support for hours, whether you're enjoying a picnic or camping in the great outdoors. Crafted with durability in mind, this chair features reinforced stitching and an angled leg design for enhanced relaxation. It's built to withstand your adventures. Stay refreshed with the oversized cup holder and keep your drinks cool in the built-in cooler bag. A handy side pocket keeps your essentials within reach. From backyard gatherings to camping trips and fishing excursions, this versatile chair is your perfect companion. Enjoy comfort wherever your adventures take you. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. Enjoy your purchase with confidence, knowing your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. When maximum comfort and weight capacity are your top priorities, look no further. This oversized chair boasts a 400 pounds capacity and generous padding for an incredibly comfortable experience. If you're a larger individual or simply want the most comfortable seat for camping, fishing, or backyard lounging, this chair is designed for you. What people say. Solid. The rivets and plastic cross bracing look heavier than other chairs I've owned in the past. Plenty of storage. The attached cooler is spacious. The flat storage on the side will hold a tablet and phone easily and is protected from rain by the overhanging armrest. The cup holder is 4Gia and holds my Nalgene bottle easily. There is also a storage net behind the headrest. Comfortable. This chair is big enough to sit crossways even for a guy my size. There is padding across the front so bars and components don't dig into the underside of your legs. The headrest pillow offers enough support to facilitate an afternoon cat nap. I like the padding on the seat as it keeps my backside warm and protected from mosquitoes. The fabric is heavy and will stand up to use. Number 1. ICECO Backpacking Beach Chair. Experience unparalleled stability with our heavy-duty chair, built with a reinforced aluminum frame. It can support up to 350 pounds, offering a reliable seating solution for everyone. Relax in comfort with our premium textile fabric, designed to be fast-drying and breathable. It's weatherproof, wear-resistant, and UV-proof, ensuring durability for all your outdoor adventures. Find your perfect position with 5 adjustable settings, including a lay-flat option. Effortlessly switch from an upright seating position to a comfortable lounge chair for ultimate relaxation. This chair is designed for your convenience, featuring a large pillow, 2 cup holders, a storage bag, and a towel bar. It also includes a bottle opener and backpack straps for easy portability. Enjoy the outdoors with this strong and durable chair, perfect for the beach, camping, or any outdoor activity. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer support. What we like. If you desire ultimate flexibility in your relaxation, this chair offers 5 reclining positions, including a lay-flat option for napping. Its durable yet lightweight construction with backpack straps makes it incredibly portable. If you enjoy a variety of seating or lounging positions and need a chair that's easy to carry to the beach or campsite, this is your best bet. What people say. It easily handles 300 plus lb, but it isn't perfect. It's really hard to find a beach chair that accommodates large derrieres, but this one does it with comfort. Very comfortable and sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.